Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I am going to do a quick get ready with me for a very long overdue celebration birthday luncheon with my sister. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would also appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started.
I'm going to do a voiceover because everyone's napping. I'm starting off with the Colleen Rothschild Illuminating Eye Cream. I legit only use a dot, like not even a full pump. That's way too much. I love this product. My little boyfriend, always here. I love it so much because it's so creamy, it nourishes, it brightens, and it leaves my under eyes so hydrated. Next, I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer in N5. You know how much I love this product. I haven't been using foundation like on a day-to-day basis for quite some time now, so I'm going to use the concealer just to conceal my hyperpigmentation. And then secondly, I'm going to just use it as a foundation. I'm using the BK Beauty brush, the 106 brush that I absolutely adore, to blend everything in. I like to use a stippling motion because it really stretches out the product and it gives you more coverage than if you're just sweeping. And of course, don't forget to take the product down the neck. Then I'm going to use the N3 as my concealer, and just a tiny bit. Less is more, ladies. You guys know that. And I just blend it in with my fingers. For the bronzer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear in 300. I think that's light medium. And I'm going to use the BK Beauty 111. It is such a great brush. This bronzer is so natural looking. I absolutely love this matte formula. Even though it's matte, it doesn't leave you looking flat. It is so pretty. It's buildable, looks so freaking natural. Taking it down the neck as usual. Girls, don't forget, take all your products down the neck. Contouring the nose a little bit. Well, maybe a lot. Anyway, A+++. Love this bronzer. So for the blush, I'm going to use the Revee Beauty Endless Diffusion Baked Blush in Paradise. I'm going in with the 112. Are my brushes clean? No. But you guys already knew that. Oh man, this color is so gorgeous. This brush, which is in Toasted Pink, is so pretty. It's natural. It goes on really soft, if that makes sense, and it lasts all day. And I love how buildable it is. Throwing in a little bit on the lids, why not? For the highlight, I'm going to be using the Dior in Gold Halo. I don't know what is up with this doggone highlighter, but it is something special. It goes on so soft and so blurring and shimmery, but not in a bad way. It's like a lit from within kind of glow. It is so beautiful. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Sigma Mod palette. I love this palette so much. The colors are so soft, yet they can totally be punched out if you want like a night look or if you want something more glamorous. The palettes are nudes, pinks, mauves with metallics, mattes, and shimmers. I'm keeping it very simple, easy, soft, and playful today. Nothing crazy. But you know I have to zhuzh it up, girl. You know that. So I'm going in with the Patrick Ta Eye Illusion eyeshadow duos and Talk to My Team. I adore these eye shimmers. I mean, look at that. It is so pretty. I always use my fingertips with shimmers. For me, it gives the best payoff. These are super fine sparkles with eye-catching pigment. To me, girl, I know the controversy. To me, they are so worth it. They are worth every penny. And a little sparkle is always a must for a birthday celebration, even if we're just having lunch. The Makeup by Mario eyeliner in the Perfect Brown is perfection. It's super long wearing with a matte finish. I use it to tightline. If you're not going to stay all day, girl, I'm not interested. It's a great product with a great formula. I'm going in with the Revee Beauty Easy Everyday Brow Pencil in deep brown. I absolutely love this tip. Look how tiny that is. It's super thin and you barely need any pressure. It's long lasting and smudge proof. I mean, girl, what more do you want? I'm setting my under eyes with the Catrice Under Eye Brightening Powder, making sure that there's no creases, and I'm taking the tiniest bit of powder, the tiniest. Again, guys, less is more, especially at our age. Curling the lashes. And then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Sky High mascara in black, of course. I love this mascara. I love the flexibility and blend of the brush. Some people don't like that, but I love it. It volumizes my lashes. It's so lightweight, doesn't flake, and doesn't smudge. Finally, getting to the lips, I'm using the Revive Beauty Soft Definition Longwear Lip Liner in Almond. I adore these lip liners. They're so creamy and so precise, but most importantly, they do not budge. Topping it with the Physicians Formula Diamond Lip Oil Stain in Radiant Rose, it delivers a beautiful glossy finish, and of course the stain is long lasting.
Okay guys, so there you have it. This is the final look. Very quick, very easy. I haven't been wearing foundation much. I actually grabbed the Fenty Beauty, the Ease Drops, but I think the coverage is pretty stinking good. Like I said, I haven't been using foundation a lot lately, but I think just using the concealer worked out pretty stinking well. Anyway, so that is it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me, and as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.